This is the look of a man, many men, exhausted. This is over 50 hours straight, basically, of us working. You won't see this part first. You're gonna see the coolest part ever. We're about to start the car and show you the world's first driving all-wheel drive 4-rotor RX-7.
Got throttle?
Yep, got throttle. We're gonna go ahead and prime the ECU. ECU's on. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the fuel pumps. And then we're gonna turn on the starter. Switch it into gear, and we're gonna do it again. And this time we'll do fuel. Oh my god. Yes. You did it. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much, guys. Not that it's mine, it's all of ours, but holy shit. It would drive. It would do it. There is no rest for the wicked. So I went outside to catch some air and our chariot arrived. We were diagnosing it was a crushed O-ring on one fuel injector. You know, all you see on the video is exactly what we did. The transport to Las Vegas to Sema is here. So we literally did the thing that we've claimed that was knew was possible. We did it with moments to spare before we show this car off at Sema. I knew the front floor was in the back.
Yeah, the back wheels are definitely firing on the body.
Oh, this car weighs so much more than it used to.
So you got everything in
Yep.
it was always here. Oh yeah.
Battery operated.
I forgot I can Flintstone and help.